There we go. Alright guys, barely found a parking spot. It's busy today. Hey, what's going on? I saw your car up there. I didn't know if I'd catch you. Buff has been hard at work trying to get this thing sorted. Oh, is that a, oh, it's a Stagio wagon. Alright, good morning you guys. We're gonna start this one off peaceful, early in the morning, and we're getting the C55 ready to go out for a little adventure day. Had a cars and coffee with Mike and my son, so we gotta get this thing cleaned up. It's all kinds of dirty right now because it's been sitting outside, mostly just the pine needles, so I'm gonna hit it with the vacuum. It's on the battery charger right now, and get that thing charged up, get all these leaves cleaned off, and then we'll give it an actual bath, move it over here, and my plan is to get it nice and pretty so that when I get back today I can put it under the cover and not have to worry about it turning into this again. So because most likely it's going to be out here for a little while we finish up at least the red C55. This should be out of the garage soon, so eventually this and that will be back in the garage, but yeah, we got some work to do to make that happen. So go ahead and montage you guys while we're taking care of business. Alright you guys, so I want to touch on this area of focus again, but if you guys remember, I did all that rust repair on the back trunk lip, and disappointed because leaving it out here, it basically just got covered in filth again. Obviously not going to corrode that quick, but it basically just like negated all my hard work that I did to get it spotless. So I just took the time again, vacuumed it out, cleaned it out, and then put on our CRC rust inhibitor, a new fresh layer. So it's just another warning to you guys, like it literally did not take long at all for it to get all grimy in there. It's been outside for maybe 2 weeks and it was just super grimy, like the seal, everything. So I'm wiping everything down, got my new fresh layer of CRC rust inhibitor like I said, and when I come back today I am for sure putting this thing under the cover so this doesn't become a problem. Alright guys, trunk seal all cleaned up, reinstalled. If that yellow bothers you, then I don't know what to tell you. I'd rather have that than worry about any type of corrosion. So next thing is to start this thing up. It should have enough juice to get it turned over, and then I'm gonna move it to the center spot over there, get it wiped down with a quick bath. All right you guys, and good news of the morning, my pressure washer started working again. It died like a few weeks ago out of nowhere. It would like power up and then want to get reset at the little plug-in terminal, but wouldn't kick on, and now the reset light stayed on and it is working. So makes cleaning the cars a whole lot easier with all the pine needles hidden everywhere. So I'm happy about that. All right, and in our bottles today, gonna be trying this Rain-X high foaming car wash. We'll see. I got this for super cheap. I think it was at Home Depot. It was like $6 or $7. Rain-X usually has good stuff, so why wouldn't they have good car wash? Let's try it out. Alright guys, Mike just got here. Brought the race ramps for the Mars Red C55. This thing should be charged up enough to slide it into the front of the garage. Or not front of the garage, but front of the driveway. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ah, come on, you can do it. There we go. Alright, definitely gotta let this thing run for a little while. Sorry, it's all blurry right there for you guys. but let it run. Probably let it run while I'm washing it, to be honest, just to be on the safe side, and then we'll head out. And of course I parked right on the extension cord. Anyways, let's get this thing hosed off. Alright guys, we're ready. This thing's all washed up. It's silver, so it always looks clean. But it's definitely cleaner than it was, trust me. And then also, while we're here, if I see anybody at the car show today, give us up if they recognize the car. Something fun. So anyways, boys day, we're heading out. Alright guys, barely found a parking spot. It's busy today behind the cool Porsche. It's a little foggy, but nice day. A lot of people. Saw Vafa made it over here. We'll try to go catch him.
Behind you.
That Mustang? Oh, there's a funny guy in the passenger seat, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Always our favorite location for a car meet, being right on the lake. See what they got today. So a bunch of mixed bag stuff as usual on the way in. Here, come right here. Oh yeah. Got it?
Hey, look at it.
Oh, got a bunch of stickers on there, huh? RS3. Type R, love these. Newer GTI. 135. That side? Okay.
Brooks!
Hey, what's going on? I saw your car up there. I didn't know if I catch you.
High five.
Say hi, it's Vafa.
Yeah.
How are you?
This is my neighbor Brooks.
Hey, how you doing? Brooks, nice to meet you. This is my stepdad Mike.
Hi, how
Yeah.
are you? It's good to meet you.
We heard you leaving this morning.
Oh, you
Yeah.
did? Yeah.
Guys.
So you live where? Newcastle.
Oh man, look at the seats. You guys can see that. Those are beautiful. Alright, this is one of my favorite cars here so far for sure.
What do you think? Are you cold? Oh, Gerald doing good.
What up, Lewis? How you doing? GTR, Ferrari, nice Alpha. I know, that one's cool, huh? There's the M5 that was behind us. Good dairy. Yeah, that's the one that has a funny guy inside of it. Oh, it's a Cosmo. That's crazy. Nice C63. Hey!
That's all I had it. What did you want?
Yeah! That was a nice ISF. Looks like it's tracked maybe. Yep. That guy's got a bike on the back of his car. Oh, here's a fastback. This thing's sweet. What happened? Okay? He's cool.
He's got a dog.
Yeah. My dream SUV over there, Cyclone. GT4. Nice bug over there too. That's Vafa's car right there.
Yeah.
Silver yellow one.
I saw him leaving with the yellow was.
Yeah. You remember? Look, this one. This one right here. That's Vafa's car. You remember that? Our neighbor's car. The one that he put on the race car trailer.
There's crazies out there.
Oh, good swimmers out there. Training. Probably not that cold.
You said it's probably not that cold.
Yeah. Nice Ferrari. Nice Fiat. Just kidding. There's a little shifter. Vafa's been hard at work trying to get this thing sorted. What do I see over here? I see a 124. What is it? Like maybe an E420, E320.
You can put your hands over, that's fine.
Oh, is that a? Oh, it's a Stagio wagon. Oh, that old Porsche is sick. I gotta check that out. Ciao, buddy. Check out the 365, 356. Look at this one, buddy.
It is so tiny.
It is little, huh?
Yeah.
Super cool. I like these a lot. They're cool. Inside, yeah. There's a hat in the back.
Gotta have your hat when you're driving.
Another nice Mustang over there. What is it? That Mustang?
No, that white.
Oh, you like that white one? It's called a S2000.
What?
Yeah.
You see that one?
Mm-hmm.
You see this one?
Yeah. That's an ISF.
That's what I thought. This is
It really is.
Hey, this is a Mercedes.
Yeah, it's like the one we used to have, huh? Just a white one instead. Oh, that thing's cool. Land Cruiser. Lucille, if you're watching. Nice old Celica right there. Celica GT. Cool bike squad. GT3 is clean.
Call me up. Your situation.
Bug is beautiful. Now check out, look at the Herbie car, buddy. Thing's sweet. Abe, if you're watching. Yeah. Here, I'll lift you up. Cyclone running. That thing is so clean. Big old straight six. This is like a Dodge Starlet. I don't know what this is. I don't know what that says. Valiance.
That red 911 has nitros.
Dude, that
right?
thing is cool, yeah.
Yeah. How did they operate it?
I don't know. Got some secret buttons.
interesting. Yeah, I would imagine.
You guys, we didn't see him early, but we were talking. We ran into Vafa.
Yeah.
We heard it. We heard him leaving this morning. So we caught up with him.
I went and washed it because it was dirty. My yard is too crowded with the trailer, no room to properly wash.
Yeah. I was telling them, anyone who knows, as soon as they get over there and they see what motor's in it, they start geeking out.
Yeah.
Because any Porsche or Audi guy that knows, they're like, what the heck?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. Yeah, some decent. Uh-oh. Dog fight. Yeah, There's some decent stuff here. It's really busy today, though. I haven't seen it this busy in a long time.
Yeah, sometimes it just gets packed in the center
Yeah,
too.
yeah, and the outsides are still open. So, yeah, the green one. You see him again?
Nice photo.
Yeah. M5, beautiful engines.
I would get a Montreal P. Those actually look really good. I saw it.
Awesome.
We didn't see that one, Dad.
Oh, pretty cool, huh? Type R engine bay looks good. Man, things all built.
Right, it doesn't even matter. Oh, I see, I get it.
Any questions? I told the camera I was gonna give anyone a sticker who came and was looking at the car.
Is that the engine that came in the car?
Yeah, it's a C55. It's a manual swap. That's a special part about it. All right, shout out to Sean. He was the one that got the sticker. He's actually a Subaru guy, but he was just curious about the car. So talked a little bit. All car guys got things in common. Should we go find Papa? A little Mini Cooper popped up behind us. Yeah? Alright. Nice bet. He's up there. There's Sean's car, the guy I was talking to. Very clean, all stock, pretty much. 04 WRX. This wagon's awesome. For sale, hit him up. I like that wagon. I'm not gonna launch it, but. Alright guys, I know you'd be mad at me if I didn't at least show you the C55 driving. There you go. Going home.